Now, CNBC-TV18's Newsbreak has been confirmed. Flipkart will shift its holding company from Singapore to India as it gears up to go public in the next 12 to 18 months. The Walmart-owned firm's board approved the move in a board meeting last week. Rachana joins us now with more. Rachana, you reported on this proposed move in December of 2024. What does this mean for Flipkart, this reverse flip as it's called?
That's right, Shireen. We reported this on 19th December 2024. Speaking about this move, it's a strategic move that marks a significant realignment of Flipkart's corporate structure with its core operations in India and is widely seen as a precursor to the company going ahead with its much anticipated IPO. The IPO is now expected within the next 12 to 18 months, like we had reported earlier. But remember, Flipkart had moved its holding company to Singapore back in 2011 to access global capital and tax benefits. So this reversal comes almost 14 years after that move, and it's not merely just about the location. It's about compliance. By relocating, the company sidesteps the complexities of India's stringent FEMA and FDI regulations, which currently foreign-controlled firms in the e-commerce sector are navigating. So being domiciled in India will also eliminate dual oversight for Flipkart from Singapore and Indian authorities, streamlining governance and tax structures. In a statement, Flipkart said that the shift reflects its deep and unwavering commitment to India. It also cites the country's strong economic growth, digital transformation, and business-friendly policies as key reasons that drove this decision. Well, this decision mirrors what former subsidiary PhonePe did in 2022, a relocation that costed parent company Walmart nearly $1 billion in just taxes. Walmart, which now holds about 85% stake in Flipkart after a fresh $3.5 billion investment last year that valued the company at $36 billion, aims to list both Flipkart and PhonePe in India. Other marquee investors like Tiger Global, Google, DST Global, Qatar Investment Authority, and Singapore's GIC hold about 15% stake in Flipkart. Now, Flipkart's domicile shift is also a part of a larger trend that we're seeing across the industry. Razorpay, Pine Labs, Zepto, and InMobi, all these have also shifted their base to India to cash in on the country's IPO boom. With dual listings not being allowed in India, domestic domicile is now a must for companies eyeing local public offerings. And at $36 billion valuation, Flipkart's IPO could outshine Hyundai's 2024 listing, which came in at $19 billion and was a record then. So when it happens, it could potentially set a new record for the Indian markets. And it would do so in spite of recording a 2,358 crore rupee loss in FY24 on the revenue of nearly 18,000 crore rupees. So we will be keeping a close eye on this.
All right, Rachana, many thanks for joining us. Flipkart moving its domicile back to India, preparing for a mega IPO. Time for us to head